Hey guys, thanks for watching Learn with Anisha. I'm Anisha and today we'll be continuing the chapter Nutrition in Animals, which is class 7 Science NCERT. So let's begin the chapter. Actually, not begin, but let's continue with the chapter. This we have done, and so today we'll be doing the last part. Not actually the last part, but the large intestine we'll be doing. So we have done this part we have done. Now how the small intestine, sorry, the stomach, how the working on the stomach is being discovered. The large intestine. So basically, the large and small intestine, the food as his get absorbed, and then the undigested food goes to the large intestine. Now, it is like a white tube-like structure. Let me show you the large intestine. Yeah. So the large intestine like this one, it's a tube-like structure, a white tube-like structure, and oh yeah, sorry. It's a white tube-like structure, and this the length you need to remember it's 1.5 meter long. Its function is to its main function from the undigested food you need to they absorb water and salts from the undigested food. Now, the rest of the waste it passed through the rectum and then it goes to it passed to the and then it is thrown by the anus. Wait, let me just write it nicely. Anus. It's thrown in the anus. It's the term is there in the in the book itself. Just go through it. And the process of throwing the waste is known as egestion. I have told you what is egestion. Let me again tell. The process by which undigested food, which is the facial matter means the food which is undigested goes out of the body, a semi-solid paste. It goes from the body like a out of the body. It's thrown out of the body in a semi-solid paste type of thing, which is faces. अब हिंदी में बोले तो आई एम सॉरी फॉर इट हिंदी में बोले तो जो पॉटी होता है ना कहते हैं ना सो दैट्स वाई सो दैट इज ओनली द फेसल मैटर नाउ इट गोज आउट थ्रू एनस we'd be doing what is diarrhea today only. Diarrhea is a condition where frequent watery stool मतलब frequent passing out of facial matter is done frequently. Passing out of matter bowel movement ज़्यादा होता है या not not frequently passing out watery stool. Frequently मतलब हमें ज़्यादातर बाथरूम में जाना पड़ता है या हमें बाथरूम में जाना ही नहीं पड़ता. कैसे दो कंडीशन होते हैं. And how it can happen diarrhea by food poisoning or infection. अब इससे क्या करना चाहिए हमें. It is a very serious disease and it can also lead to death. Death भी हो सकता है in severe cases because हम जब ज़्यादा लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन में एब्जॉर्प्शन होता है मतलब ज़्यादा लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन में वाटर एंड सॉल्ट एब्जॉर्ब होता है और ज़्यादा लॉस होता है वाटर एंड सॉल्ट का बॉडी में एंड दैट if we don't frequently eat salt and water then we also can die. Then अब हमें क्या करना है ORS पीना है. ORS means oral rehydration solution, which I hate to drink. You can love to drink, but I don't like drinking this ORS. So, ORS is nothing but boiled or cooled water with a pinch of salt and sugar. मतलब salt भी होता है, sugar भी होता है, which is very recommended by doctors, not daughter, but doctors to maintain the water loss of the body. तो ये सब पीना पड़ता है ORS पीना ही पड़ता है आजकल तो पैकेट्स में मिलते ही है बट you can be making it at home by mixing salt and sugar simultaneously in boiled or cooled water. Actually ये boiled or cooled और लिखना चाहिए था मैंने नहीं लिखा. सो अब समझ में आ गया होगा ORS क्या है डायरिया क्या है एंड what is the large intestine. एनस भी आपको समझ में आ गया. एनस इज़ नथिंग बट एनस एक ऑर्गन है जिससे हम फेसल मैटर निकाल सकते हैं. Then diarrhea we have done. We need to do nutrition in glass eating animals and also nutrition amoeba, and that only. Today we do only this. In the next video I'd be doing thanks, I'd be doing this all nutrition and nutrition in grass eating animals and amoeba. So thanks for watching. Please do like the video, share the video and subscribe my channel, and also click the bell icon so you can get all my videos which I'm yet to upload. Thanks for watching.